The dates are set, and now the Jamaica Debates Commission says it's racing to finish preparations for the 3 national debates ahead of the September 3 general election. Now, the debates will be held between August 25 and 29 at the Creative Production and Training Center in Kingston. Kelisha Williams has that story.
It's mere weeks before the general election and before the 2 main political parties face each other at the polling stations on September 3rd, they will have to face the nation at the podium in the national debates. The COVID-19 pandemic has made it difficult for the political parties to campaign in a traditional fashion. So this year, they're channeling their energy into a media campaign and the national debates. And these are the people responsible for the planning, members of the Jamaica Debates Commission who were locked in a meeting on Saturday.
The Prime Minister announced it last Tuesday, which didn't really catch us unawares, but we were hoping that we would have had more lead time to put everything in place. So right now we are sprinting to the finish line to make sure that all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted.
First up, the dates.
There will be 3 debates. The first issue will deal with social issues, and that will be on the 25th of August. It will be at the studios of the CPTC, and it will start at 9 o'clock. And it's 90 minutes. All our debates are 90 minutes. The second debate will be on economic issues, again at the CPTC at 9 o'clock, 90 minutes. And the final debate is on the 29th, and that is the leadership debate.
Then to the format. The first debate on social issues will be a team of 3 debaters from each party, while the other 2 will consist of 1 representative from each side. Each person will be given 90 seconds to answer questions from a panel of journalists. Today, members of the political directorate also got the opportunity to decide how they'll be positioned on the big day.
Coincidentally, all of the town costs both parties agreed such that, and this is a coincidence, the PNP will be on the left side of the stage for the audience looking on, and the JLP will obviously be on the right, and the PNP will go first. And this is true for all 3 debates.
The Commission has been hosting political debates since 2002, and since then, it's been a national staple, attracting a large studio audience when it's held. But the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the format this year.
We won't be having a studio audience, which is what we have been accustomed to having for the other debates that we have put on in the past. And social distancing will have to be maintained within the studio. So we're going to have to place the debaters either with sufficient space between them, the recommended 6 feet, or in our case, we're looking at putting some sort of transparent separation.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.